Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, fantastic news. I have finally hit 2,000 subscribers. Now, a big shout out to those subscribers. When I started this journey, it was all about documenting about me for my granddaughter. Yeah, I just wanted to document who I was as a person, what I like to do and that sort of thing. And, so many people have reached out and started watching. And it is absolutely amazing. Now, I figured with my mixed content, the fact I don't do shorts, that I'd never sort of get to high subscriber numbers. But I've got people that watch the videos all the time. People who watch certain content, and that's fantastic. I mean, that's what I like. That's why I do different sorts of content. I like the fact that some people like to watch some stuff, some people like to watch other stuff. But yeah, it has been an awesome experience watching my channel grow. Thank you so much to all the people that watch. And as a thank you, what I want to do now is the same as I've done for my 1,000 subscribers, and I want to give away a free knife. Basically, it's going to be the knife that the winner wants. Much the same as last time. I ended up with 2 winners. So I designed the knife that each of them wanted, and that's exactly what I'm going to do this time. You tell me the knife you're after and I will make it for you. Now, of course, I can only send knives where it's possible to send them. I know I can send within Australia. I know I can send to America. The chances are I'll end up taking it over in November when I go across to see Terry. Some countries have restrictions about knives being sent there. UK can be a bit of a problem, so it's up to you to make sure that you can receive the knife and that it fits to the laws of the land where you are. But I'm more than happy to make a blacksmith item or another craft item if that's the case. But yeah, my stock and trade is making knives. So, as I said, more than happy to make whatever knife you're after. We've got here a little utility knife. This one's been in videos. Great little kitchen knife. This one here is my personal kitchen knife. Now, my knives tend to be in carbon steel, which is why they've got the black color to them. That is metal oxide, which is a type of rust. I've got videos as to the difference between carbon and stainless steels. I personally like carbon steels, and that's why I have carbon steels. It's not a knife making lesson, so shush, Darren. All right, so yeah, chef's knife sort of deal, which I ended up making last time. I made one European chef's knife and another one that was a santoku, which is a Japanese style chef knife. We have here, this is actually the second knife I made. The first knife I made was stolen, so I no longer have it anymore. This is the second knife I made. This is made with a piece of red gum that was off a fence post, off a fence I pulled down at work. And again, it's a piece of carbon steel. As you can see, it's still pretty shiny because it doesn't get super lot of use. This is a little skinny knife, and I had a little utility knife that went with it, which was number 1. Video series I'm doing at the moment, making a butcher knife for myself where I'm yapping a bit on it. I enjoy talking, especially about the things that I love, like my knife making. So that is the knife from that video series, which I've got to finish up. This is a butcher's knife. Again, happy to do that sort of thing. But yeah, it comes down to, whoever the winner is, they're going to get the knife that they're after. Whether it's stainless steel, carbon steel, a stabilized timber handle, simple timber handle, like I tend to use for my stuff. I don't tend to want the fancy timber on my knives. You know, why spend $50 on a piece of wood for a knife for me? And as I mentioned in the videos on this knife, this wood came from my church, so it means a lot more to me than having a $50 piece of stabilized wood. All right, so entries, pretty simple. All I want you to do is comment under this video, and all you need to have in the comment is down under. It's as simple as that. So the comment can just be down under, or the comment can be, you know, I'd love a knife from down under, or whatever. You just need to have down under in the comment underneath this video. It's as simple as that. As far as the drawing, I'm gonna do a live stream with the drawing in it. So I'll probably end up picking the name out of the hat, much like I did last time. I'm not too good at setting up the automated wheels and that sort of thing that a lot of other people use. I like simply drawing it out of a hat. But yeah, whack your comment down below with down under on it. I'll throw a link to the live stream for the drawing. It's gonna be at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be, which is on Saturday the 25th, and on Friday the 24th for American Eastern Time, it is going to be at 8 p.m. So that's the two times for it. But as I said, I'll throw a link down below, or I'll throw one up in the corner, just so you can click on that and set a reminder to go watch that one. Yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Gonna have the live stream now. I'll probably invite a couple people up and have a bit of a panel going on, and then get to the drawing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So lastly, a big thank you to all the people who subscribe to my channel. You don't have to be a subscriber to enter this one. You just need to follow the rules, you know, comment on this one, watch the live stream, and you need to be in the live stream to win. When I draw a name out, you need to be in the live stream. So yeah, pretty simple. All right, again, thank you very much everyone for watching. Thank you so much for everyone for subscribing and watching all those videos that you have watched. It just means the world to me to be able to reach out to people in that way. And when I get stories about how much it's helped people, how much the knowledge has helped people, that is just amazing. And that's, you know, I was aiming for that with my granddaughter, but I'm affecting a lot of people in that way. And that is just truly, you know, it touches the heart. So again, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.